911, what is your emergency?
I think I'm being robbed. 3 guys at my store and they have a gun.
What is the address?
Jack's Mini Mart, 6316 North 83rd Street.
Responder 1 en route, arrival in 45 seconds.
Edward 9, 3 minutes out.
Edward 11, ETA in 6.
Caller states 2 white males standing outside, possibly armed, 1 white male inside the store.
Edward 9, copy.
And we have our generational perspectives. We have our armed robbery in progress. Pull up the drone feed. Yes, sir.
3 suspects are on foot. Alleyway adjacent to the food mart.
Wait, is that just a lighter? Unit standby, it appears to be a lighter.
Responder 1, affirmative. Object appears to be a lighter and not a weapon.
Edward 9, copy. Got it on the live feed. We'll make contact and advise.
It's not hard to imagine how this situation could have gone differently. BRINC is building a system to give first responders more information before they arrive at emergencies and lower response times. Specialized drones are pre-positioned in robotic charging stations at strategic locations throughout a community. The system is integrated with 911, computer-aided dispatch, and other software to deploy the aircraft autonomously in seconds. These drones can deliver life-saving payloads faster than ever. With an onboard two-way audio system, responders can even communicate remotely to provide instructions.
All right, we have help headed your way. We've dispatched a drone that's equipped with an AED.
Could you just keep giving me updates on your status?
They can also gather intel or de-escalate a situation. Drones can be deployed in the field to get a fast bird's-eye view of any situation and generate 3D models for documentation or courtroom use. DFR allows first responders to see through smoke and identify hotspots or locate suspects and devise a response that minimizes risk for everyone. The drones also mesh with each other for extended range across entire communities. Agencies around the country have already adopted DFR programs. On average, they clear a quarter of all 911 calls with drones alone. They get eyes on scene in less than 70 seconds and have achieved 50% faster response times agency-wide. Enter the future of public safety today with BRINC DFR, because this is just the beginning.